Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now I've made several paneer dishes. I'll give you a couple of links in the description, you can go check it out. Today adding to that huge list is another paneer dish. This is actually a starter. This is roasted masala paneer. Now this is a great starter, it's a very nice and healthy recipe and it can be made very quickly and easily. So let's get started and check out the recipe. So for this recipe I've taken about 400 grams of paneer. I'm just going to cut it into large cubes. So I've also made a recipe as to how to make homemade paneer, so you can make this at home as well. I'll give the link in the description, you can go check it out. For this particular recipe, it's better you cut into large cubes. So you can see it's a nice size cube, it's not too small or too large, it's a good bite size. So next I'm going to season the paneer with a few spice powders. So first I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. So you can adjust the salt according to your taste and depending on the quantity of paneer you're using. Next, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of chilli powder. Again, those of you who like it nice and spicy, you can add extra spoon. So I'm just adding about 2.5 teaspoons, just enough to coat the paneer pieces. 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon Garam Masala powder. So it's easier to mix it with your hand, so that way all the paneer pieces will be coated well with the spice powders. So this is a very quick and easy starter recipe that you can make. It's an excellent source of protein, paneer. It also is a great weight loss recipe. Those of you who love to eat a nice heavy protein meal, this is something that I make at home regularly and it's very tasty. Trust me, it's extremely tasty. So there you go. Now that it's all coated well, I'm going to let this sit for about 15 minutes. So while the paneer pieces are sitting in the marinade, I'm just going to quickly make some coriander mint chutney as a dip. So for the coriander mint chutney, take a nice whole cup of coriander leaves and 1 cup of mint leaves. Next to this I'm going to add a small piece of onion, small piece of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, 3 medium-sized green chilies. Now, if you don't like it this spicy, you can cut down on the green chilies. The juice of 1 small lemon, 1/4 teaspoon salt. You can add about 2 teaspoons of water and grind the chutney to a nice fine paste. So the coriander mint chutney is done. Remove it and keep it aside. To the pan, add 2 teaspoons of ghee. So I'm using ghee specifically for this recipe. I recommend that instead of oil or butter. So I suggest you use ghee for this recipe and it's also healthy. Keep the flame on medium and just roast on all the sides. Just flip it on all sides and make sure it's just roasted. It won't take too long, maybe just about a minute or 2 on each side will be enough. So once you've roasted the paneer on all sides, remove it from the pan. And you can serve it nice and hot with some nice mint and coriander chutney by the side. So as you can see from the recipe, it's a very quick and easy recipe and you can serve it with some nice spicy mint chutney by the side. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends.